So we talk a lot about having eating healthy food. So one of the things we're going to make today is a recipe that I stole from Carbone Pizza. My wife and I went there. We had this appetizer, and it was fantastic. So we're going to try that, and just to make sure that everybody's safe, I'm wearing a mask. And this particular mask has encouraged social distancing for as long as I think it's been created. So hey, stay safe, everyone. So we're making it's a cauliflower, hummus, and roasted chickpea dip. You can kind of eat it with a spoon, or you can use it, to dip your vegetables in, or crackers. But it's fantastic, and it really tastes good. And then I'm not actually gonna make the entire video because I kind of thought of that, and I really lack those particular skills to put a whole food making video together. So I'm gonna include the recipes that I'm using, but I encourage you guys to try this. One of the excuses that we hear a lot from people is, I just don't have enough time to cook. And I think right now, you've all got a lot of time. So don't give me that excuse. If you guys come up with recipes that you think are fantastic, share them. Right now, everyone has nothing to do but spend a lot of time cooking good food. Take care. I hope to see you guys soon. If you guys have any questions or any problems, please feel free to give me a shout. So these just go on top of the hummus. And the last part, let's put the roasted cauliflower on top. Now this was admittedly a long, kind of bit of a tedious dish to make. But if you bring this to your friend's place, once this COVID mess is over, you will win multiple prizes for the best app ever. And again, I got this from Carbone Pizza. So one of the things we like to do is go to different restaurants, try different appetizers, and then try to recreate them. One of the things I'm missing now, and I've tried to recreate it, is the beef vindaloo from Moxie's. It is fantastic, and I've yet to be able to recreate it, but I will continue to try because it is fantastic. When this is over, that's one of the first things I'm gonna have. So try this recipe, blow your friends away, enjoy.